definitely me aware, and I presume say Enra what is story a course so between our sister Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo. Na Enra pictures na float on social media so no abusua na eni enyan pa me kan nada. Enra wiamu ho baby and ye hu say pictures no and float on social media about our sister Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo say ya bonito and so ewo kwabenya potem ho baby abusua story no eba no na eni enyan pa na story no ne cover by ene ne command the way AC air calling nyina ne say abusua who becomes the leader of Kristo Asafo companies. Sarah Adwoa Safo Honorable and afi ninia kuma Safo Kantanka akofina sana ntokwana akwakoye who becomes the leader of Kantanka family Kristo Asafo mission Kantanka automobiles Kantanka farms schools ni ade wine ena ebabaye leader enam so ena nra etoto no abusua ekoso na ye be kira asem ni mo akire na wate ase ehu de we ankomo no esi etiemesero se wa join dia subscribe like share na fi comment on our video e ma refi se notification icon aya obe mia so dia to or send be more times no content bia e ba so na e de hu nkomo ba ubenya bia tie na wanya bia hwe no hu de we asem no aya na esi ekoso e wo Ghana abusua after the death of Apostle Engineer Kristo Asafo after ni wuachi abusua insensema asori ewo abusua ne mu ena ye de ba we abusua manso dade lumba de bae abusua nya izo dade lumba ne de aba ama ye hu ba bia ye fa eti emfa Apostle Kristo Asafo enso ede na sisi amena okase aba be bom no enra ene ye hu se video and have pictures and circulate on social media about Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo ne car and na onenkasa ni munankasa na car ne de who the way na etuo na siabu bom na obe feel say bia Ghana military ana soldiers fo bi na akọ war ama ya tututo de abo car ne mu otumu say etuo ne de won tututo bo car ne mu pa ati pe and na glass no so bullet ne bi e wo ha akọ ho pa ni nyina ne say na car ni mu no Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo eti car ni mu e na sebe private security for ewo venue esi stand ko pie ye no sansem no esi ye who becomes the leader of Kantanka family. My best story we actually was said somewhere last year 26 February 2025 Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo yednisi so as the leader of the Kantanka family sambre no na ne papa aye friend Apostle Engineer Kristo Asafo no na wontoy sebi na papa emfrimu and the statement na be kan kire o in my previous video bi amaye about this story and say tama jumedie no call na wie no na Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo posti ye social media no so say over the weekend I was honored by my dad Apostle Dr. John McCarthy Kristo Asafo and the leadership of Christ Church Mission as the leader of the Kantanka family. Where 26th February 2025. Or see, to the church and the family, this is an honor I do not take lightly, and I promise to faithfully discharge my duties and responsibilities dutifully. I take this opportunity to thank my dad, Apostle Dr. Kristo Asafo, for this special honor done me, and I assure him that the light he has ignited in Ghana and Africa will continue to shine bright for us all. And on tonight, let's say, somewhere last year, the Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo esi so as the leader of the Kantanka family. Previously, nani niyakuma ye friend Safo Akofenai abusua na wa CEO at the Kantanka group of companies. And na wa the head and successor to the father. But in common, after Eba Enra, after sa assembly city say, proud to papa de bewuno, o ye no edni fi ade so. Abusua en common no the way akwakoye no enia ye nyan. Enu nti Enra, the entire shooting incident no eba ye ene say. Na dwumedie ba ko bi ekoso ewo kwabenya. Safo Akofenai na ye si na de so as the leader of the Kristo Asafo mission. Enra na dwumedie na ekoso Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo she was not present at the ceremony and until said later and ote ye say dwumadie bi saa ekoso with the private residence of Safo Akofna and until sadia wakwa sister penny ono nso be kofie ho akohwe nia ekoso ewo ho abusua report no the way esiba and say after say honorable Sarah Safo ekodu efie ho no the private security people denied her entry into the house and until ema nebufu ye pa ema nebufu ye na dwumadie no so ekoso ewo inside and until ema nebufu ye ama or instructing the driver and say one call by force na one run dynamo and until okay videos be aba gate na eda efie na no Sarah Safo e de ne car no e de bo gate ni mu sanka opentem na owramu na dwumadi a ekoso e wo ho no wono nso akwa akohwe bi and until we na the private security and afi the military o say national security fu a ni nua kuma ye frɛ no Safo Akofna wa form yi they prevented the car from entering into the residence. What you say? Eno enam so ena etuo no etoto ye say pew. Luckily, na baby a Sarah ete no. Eho ena bullet no ebusua efofa ya. Pictures no eno na hu say ba on social media so say yen sister no ni trimu ena fo hu nyina no say toni bi aka. Eye bullet na wo mo de bo glass ni mo na glass na bi etutu ye ebusua nti hu pictures a eno eba ya. Na a glass no from the bullet the security post shot into the car no na eko Charlie abia insomni bo ha eni enyanyo ni nyina no who becomes the leader ejapade ho asem. Of late we've seen videos of honorable Sarah Safo and afedi nuankuma akai wo de invitations ekoma prominent people say nyame adoma 30th July ne papa na yie no eba so e won porta. Previously me be catch now say ya share date foforo by Safo Akofna say na me ya adoma ono so 25th June no eyie no so ba so ogomu porta na che say abusua ne mu no abusua manso wom asafo mission no ebi di ha na ebi nso di ha so man kama dua bom na wo man nya ba ko a say ya na ebeko after the death of their father no abusua manso ne de one mekos wa twia obusua ne mu because obia enso ase data what be ye and unti enra they installed and I said they installed Safo Akofna as the leader of the Kristo Asafo mission enra beside and I said aside what happened no one mo sand ni si so say wono na ebeye panina wo be di Kristo Asafo ne so whilst last year sister honorable nso anonso yenisi ade so as the leader absianti uti nkomo no na uti the way aniama esitie na ni nyina ne say wana na obelidi asafo no wan na ebelidi companies no wan na ebeye in charge of ejapadia our papa apostle engineer Kristo Asafo ejaye ede to ho. So because of that you want to kill your sister. The securities cannot use their powers to shoot. What he has the powers in there, it will come from somewhere. But yesterday, the Ghana Police Service acted very swiftly. As someone see and some hours, and who say, the statements at the back say, one more this and shooting incident, security for now, 1 year in charge. I will be Iowa, behind home by no. Yakwako Dwamo, and Tenra, police for at the statement, every 2 mu, say. The Ghana Police Service has arrested 6 private security guards in connection with the shooting incident involving Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo, which occurred at Kwabena yesterday on 21st June 2026. In Tebetoja, says security for Makumaku Sia, Yakako Dwa Muninano, the shooting incident, Ebusia and Ra. Ekoso utie after videos ebaye after say ekwa arresting kofona na nkofona si han Sarah Safo no wono an ye enra ukoma or the car no ebe bo gate ne mo ni ade or the car kofona some man kwan and or the car no bo gate ne mo but nkamo man kwan into the house sanka on fa car no and bo gate ne mo. She wanted to see what was going on inside the house. Samose modini nnuano esi ade so a ono epeni also ono nso onya invite no ba program ni bi abusia invite no ekoye anasa anko. After said the Ghana Police Service edit statement to the buyer pay and a Kristo Asafo mission and so this statement kasi pa so be mu say reporter call on social media so say I nyana body to na de ade nyina na sansem ni nyina no enye no kore ne enye no kore tena and until honorable Sarah Asafo mom and a force the way into the house and a anko baso a security for no and so fire ntebusua story ni nyina make kan nyina no who becomes the leader of Kristo Asafo, another Kantanka group of companies. Ejapade, enti no moko. Mate videos bi, and me hu videos bi of Osebo the Zara man. On also all Canadian edited Busiano. Atiasie, or Canadian edited Busiano. Assembly de, ekwa police for investigations course. To me can be brave. Na me atom. Because where the assembly chi in command the way ebesia ko piano. E de musem ebebro na watiasie ohu the way in command. ACT Enra se wotie se shootings bia koso e wokwa benya ayen sister honorable Sarah Adwoa enso eboma eyampa enra me hu MPC bi so a amakopie mu e wo Yeboah hospital a wo mo di omokon na se omokoboa na sister no bia enso etumi akoso kama enso etumi dia man message so be subscribe ya like ya share videos ni bi na fe wa comment e wo stories ni so I'll come again with more interesting stories.